I hope you have a great day. In this lesson, you can learn how to design this beautiful infographic in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background. I'm going to give it some different color. And this one, okay. Go to insert and take an all shape and drag an all shape by holding Shift Alt. Okay. Go to align center and align middle. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it, and by holding Shift Alt and drag, make it little bit bigger and align center and align middle. Go to shape fill, no fill, shape outline. I'm going to give it some black color. Yes, this one. And again go to shape outline and make it dashes, the line, the circle. Select the center one, shape outline, make it no outline, and shape fill. I'm going to give it some dark color. Go to shadow effect. I'm going to give it some shadow effect. This one is okay, and the transparency will be round about, I think so, 70 will be okay. 102 size, and I think the blur will be 6 is okay. Again go to insert and take in, let me select, I think I should select this circle. Control D to duplicate it, Control D to duplicate it, and place it here at the side and make it little bit smaller. And I'm going to put it here in arrow with the center shape and at the middle of the slide, and shape outline, and go to, I'm going to make it this one, and shape outline and make its width to, I think so, 2 whole 1/4 will be okay. Okay, edit shape and going to edit point, select this anchor point and right click, open path. Let me, open path. Yes, and select this anchor point, delete this one, and this anchor point will be also deleted. So I'm going to Control D to duplicate it and rotate, flip horizontally and place it here with the first half circle shape. I'm going to make its width to, I think so, round about 6 and 7 will be okay. Let me select this one and go to gradient. I'm going to give it some gradient. I need only 2 stops. I'm going to delete the extra stops. So give through the eyedropper this one color and select this stop and recent color. I'm going to select this one stop and make it a little bit lighter the color to that the gradient become visible. Okay, let me take a line segment, I think this one, and I'm going to drag a line segment by holding shift, that I'm going to drag a straight line. Shape outline, give it some black color and put it here, and that goes from the center shape to the type of the infographic. So I'm going to drag another all shape small, select this one, Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the center shape to this small all shape and put it here. Let me select all these shapes. Let me select all these shapes with the also align and Control D to duplicate it, and I'm going to place it here. Let me place it here that it gives a premium look. Yes, and I'm going to make the line from the center goes to this type of infographic. These are some types. You can increase or decrease these types according to your requirements. Let me make it Control G to group it, and flip, I think so, flip vertically, sorry, let me place it here, and flip vertically, yes, and I'm going to put it here down, and I'm going to align with the help of arrow keys. Let me select this one shape, Control G to group it, this one, and select this one by holding Shift, Control G to group it again, and Control D, and I'm going to flip horizontally and put on the other side of the center shape, and these are going to 6 steps, and you can increase or decrease these steps according to your requirements. Let me change these color to other some colors that I bring this palette from Google. You can use your own colors, your desired colors, your logo colors, your company colors, yes, and let me select this one and change its color, select this top, and through the eyedropper I am picking the third one color, and again the recent color, and go to more color and make it little bit light that the gradient become visible. I'm going to select all these color and change these color to different one colors, and you can also keep these colors in just one colors or two colors. Okay, let me select this one and change its color, and I'm going to pick the color through the eyedropper, the fifth one color from this color palette, and the recent color, go to more color and make it little bit light to that the gradient become visible. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon, and you will get every time a new design. I have some type written text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Let me bring this text, Control C and Control V to bring it to the slide. This text goes in the center, your infographic, and in the center you can put your headline. Let me change its color to the white color. Yes, this, select this one. Oh, sorry. Let me also give these lines a shadow effect, that the design gives a premium look. Let me select oh, sorry, I'm going to give these shadow effect manually because these are in group, so I am unable to transfer the effect of one shape to the other, so I'm going to give it manually these shadow effects one by one. If you want to transfer the effect, you can ungroup it first and then you will transfer the effect. Control Shift C. Let me check this one, and Control Shift V. Yes, I'm going to put this text at the bottom of this circle, and over these text I'm going to bring some icons and put these icons according to the text. Okay, Control D to duplicate it, and this is the last one. Go to insert, let me take an oval shape, Control Shift C and Control Shift V to transfer the effect of the center shape to this oval shape. And I'm going to put the icon over these oval shape. I think this will be okay, and put it here. One by one. Let me bring some icons. Then from this icon tab you can find your desired icon here. Just type your text in the search icon bar and you will find your desired icon. Go to insert and bring it to the slide, and by holding Shift Alt and make it little bit smaller. Let me put these icon over these all shapes one by one. Go to graphic fill and give the same color as the step and this half circle color. Okay, put this icon here. Go to graphic fill and I'm going to give this color. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon and you will get every time a new design. Thank you for watching. Thank you.